Hello, welcome back to my channel, to my page. On today's video, we'll be making yam porridge with spinach leaf. This is a very simple delicacy that you can prepare at home in no time, just 20 to 30 minutes time. Yes. We'll be needing yam, crayfish, pepper, onions, red bell pepper is optional, depends how you want it. Red oil. In a pot, cut your yam into cube. Depends on the size you want. I made my a little bit bigger because of the special of the yam I'm using. It's very softy and it doesn't take time to cook. Like 10 minutes to 15 minutes yam is cooked. I blend my pepper, onions, and set aside. And then my vegetable, I use spinach leaf, washed, and I will slice it, set aside in a pot. Put in your yam, once it boil, add in your pepper mix with onions, and add in your crayfish. Add the season cube, salt to taste. If you know the quantity of yam you're cooking, depends on the quantity of yam you're cooking. That will determine the salt, the season cube you're putting inside. At this point, you cover the yam, add your red oil, then cover the yam. Allow it to cook for like 5 to 10 minutes. Yes, the yam is almost ready. Just mix together and cover it back and cook for extra 3 minutes to 5 minutes. Cook for extra 3 to 5 minutes, then your yam is ready. Just put in your vegetable, your spinach, your vegetable. Then you mix thoroughly, not just mix it up. Let's the vegetable go inside the yam, put it together. Wow, that's how good the yam is. Cover for like 1 minute, your yam is ready. Yes, our yam porridge is ready to be consumed. Let me know if you tried this. Look at how soft the yam is. Very soft and delicious. Depending on the kind of special of yam you're using, you have to look for the best yam for this. Thanks for watching. Please do like, share, comment, watch, subscribe, follow my